A new Texas law could mean jail time for migrants crossing into the U.S. illegally.
Now, the new law is called SB 4, and it allows Texas law enforcement to stop, arrest, and jail undocumented migrants. Undocumented migrants could face up to 180 days in jail and a fine of $2,000, and repeat offenders could get up to 20 years in prison. Governor Greg Abbott says the law is necessary to slow the number of migrants crossing into Texas.
Biden's deliberate inaction has left Texas to fend for itself. The authors of the United States Constitution foresaw a situation when the federal government would be inattentive to states that faced challenges at their borders. And in response, they inserted Article 1, Section 10 to the United States Constitution to empower states to take action.
Now, the new law goes into effect in March.
The ACLU sued Tuesday, arguing the law violates the U.S. Constitution. The White House, leaving legal action up to the DOJ, is suggesting Texas overstepped.
The federal court, not individual state, is in charge of determining how and when to remove non-citizens for violating immigration laws. So, look, this is an extreme law that will not and does not make the communities in Texas safer. It just doesn't.
Joining me now is the Texas Lieutenant Governor, Dan Patrick. Dan, now the White House said today that this law won't make communities safer. Your response?
So we spent a lot of time, Laura, in the Senate writing this bill along with the governor, and we believe we have a bill that will survive any type of Supreme Court challenge because we are being invaded. Arizona tried this about 10 years ago, but our law is different. It simply says that our law enforcement can arrest anyone, take them in, do a background check, photograph, do fingerprints. If they saw them cross the border illegally, we can do that. Or if they happen to reveal in the arrest stop that they crossed illegally, and then the magistrate will send them back and will escort them to the border. And they have a choice. They can go to jail or they can go back. And if they go back and try to come back again and we arrest them again, the penalty gets even higher. We're fed up. In fact, seeing what happened in Colorado tonight, Laura, it makes me think, except we believe in democracy in Texas, maybe we should take Joe Biden off the ballot in Texas for allowing 8 million people to cross the border since he's been president, disrupting our state far more than anything anyone else has done in recent history. And so this is so outrageous. 10,000, 12,000, 14,000 people a day crossing the border, 8 million
now,
people
the numbers,
since he's been in office, enough to be the 12th largest state.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
President Biden has been committed to improving the security of our border. And ensuring we have a legal and humane immigration process.
Where are you guys moving these kids to?
None of your business, man.
Do you guys got paperwork for these kids?
Don't worry about it.
You know, a third of these kids go missing.
I'm sorry.
You guys know anything about this?
Yeah, it happens every day.
About these guys moving these kids through the airport?
Yeah.
Straight up.
It's America.
Welcome to America.
I'm going to